So this vacuum was just literally on fire, and you can't really see it now, but this thing was literally smoking. Like, I had to unplug it. I was panicking, and it was on fire. And I'm very upset because I like this vacuum. It picked up a lot of hair, but yeah.
And this is what my new vacuum cleaner picked up. This is a BISSELL Swivel Pet vacuum cleaner. Now I, mind you, just vacuumed 1 week ago today. And look how much this amazing vacuum...
Power button, release. Problem is, if you're hitting this with your bare foot, it's very easy to get a toe caught in there.